Getting 1000 subscribers is one of the easiest things to achieve here on YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you 3 ways in less than 6 minutes that you can actually accumulate this amount of subscribers on your channel. So basically this video is especially for those people who are in need of getting subscribers to their channel. Yes, because most of us here on YouTube, we have that views on our channel, we have that watch hours, but subscribers is our main issue. I've come across channels with over 4,000 views, 5,000 views, and they are still below 800 subscribers, and I'll be like, why doesn't this channel want to get monetized? Because you all know that for you to get monetized fully here on YouTube, you have to meet that 4,000 watch hours and just 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be showing you 3 ways in which you can actually get these subscribers really fast. At least, let me say, maximum of 2 weeks or 3 weeks highest. If you do it the right way, this is going to work for you. It's tested and trusted. So I'm not just coming up here to come and sugarcoat or to just lie to you. No. Every single thing that I'll be telling you now is practical. So what I want you to do now is to pay attention and basically hop on it. So the number one way and the most effective way in which you can be able to achieve results really fast is by simply uploading shorts. Now don't get me wrong, or don't be too quick to conclude. Uploading shorts for you to get this result really faster is for you to simply upload random shorts on your channel. Like as I said earlier on, this video is strictly for those people who are in need of subscribers really fast, who have at least maybe gotten their watch hours and just need that subscriber count on their channel. And this particular method, I used it for one of my students who have over 5k 6k views on his channel, but it's still below 500 subs, and in the space of 1 month I got his channel to over 1,500 subscribers. So there is no joke and there is no magic here. It's just practical something. Don't be deceived and relax and sit down one place and expect that subscriber to just land on your channel. No. YouTube is work. You have to put in the work. That is why it's not like other social media platforms. So now, how can you be able to do this? What you simply need to do now is to go over to Facebook, go over to TikTok, go over to Instagram, or to any other app you know. All those funny videos that interest you, those comedy videos, those sorrowful videos, those emotional videos, those wedding videos that you watch, that you like, bring them over here to YouTube. So now, after getting those trending videos, those viral videos, those videos that are either funny to watch, emotional or sorrowful, or whichever way it is, when you bring them down here to YouTube, after using that sound, any YouTube sound from the YouTube studio that you feel you like, now the next thing you need to do now is to use those trending hashtags that go viral, hashtags like funny short, comedy, painful video, anything at all. Just make sure. And secondly, when putting hashtag, let the hashtag be in correspondence with the video. So the second way which you can actually get subscribers on your channel, which I used to think that it's actually wrong or it might not work out, but after seeing the results on one of my channel, I discovered that this thing is working like magic, and it's simply by engaging in the comment section. That is, when you go to the pages of some of all these bigger YouTubers, you will see a lot of small content creators who are on the comment section trying to connect and grab with each other. That my particular channel, I created it to use and be rewatching my YouTube videos each time I upload it. That was when I was doing it back then. That was the reason why I created that channel. All of a sudden, I logged into that channel one day, and I discovered that I've not dropped a single video, but that channel have over 60 subscribers already. And I'm like, how? There is no video on this channel, so how come with all these subscribers in less than how many months? Just 2 months. So this is to tell you that if you actually engage in the comment section and do it the right way, you are going to get massive results. If you go ahead and do it the wrong way, that is, you just open somebody homepage, just go ahead and subscribe, YouTube might detect it and they will remove it. That is why a lot of you will come back and be like, Chamaka, after connecting with the people on your comment section, I saw 10 subscribers, I saw 20 subscribers, but the following morning I am now seeing minus 8 or minus 10. It's because those people did not connect with you the right way, and that doesn't mean you should easily give up. Now the third method, or the third way for you to get those numbers of subscribers up on your channel, is by simply connecting with other smaller content creators like you. Like, go through the comment section, try to drop comments, support them, Like if you support them, they're going to definitely come back to support, even if they don't come at that moment. But one thing that you are sure that you're doing is you're trying to connect with them. And as you're connecting with them, even from the comment section, people will definitely be turning up to also connect with you. So this also helps in boosting your channel visibility. If you don't know, if you can start giving this particular point now a try, it's going to really work out for you. So the next method, or the next way, which I said I'm going to be adding for us, is by simply restreaming. For disclaimer, I said for those people who have actually gotten that views up on their channel, who just need subscribers count on their channel, Restream is actually helping a lot of people. Aside from getting watch hours, getting the views, also it helps in getting subscribers. And now I'm going to be teaching you one sweet method that you can actually use on your channel. You know, Restream doesn't necessarily mean that you should make use of other people's content or other videos. You can use a personal video and get this result. What is this video all for? This video is ways for you to get subscribers faster. Now what you need to do, instead of you using those videos which you may not know if it's copyright or not, what you basically need to do now is to go to market, or if you have bead in your house. Now what you need to do, get a glass cup, pour those beads in the glass cup, then pour it out maybe to a fancy plate. Repeat the process, use your hand, play with the beads. Now by doing it that way, go to CapCut, use reverse method, that is reverse method of you turning the bead to the plate and you bringing it out. Just repeat the method and use it to do your restream. Guys, this particular update is working like magic, because we all know that there are different people in this world. A lot of people are depressed, some of them are down, so this kind of video actually help them relax their mind and calm their spirit. So that is why this kind of video performed really well, because I wonder why that kind of video will be so attractive to watch, but to some people it actually calms their spirit. And aside from that self, this video gets a lot of visibility. There is a particular channel that I watch that currently does that thing in his restream, and he's getting tons of views. So guys, if you can actually do this particular thing, it's going to really work out for you. You can use it more like this ASMR, abi AMSR, or relaxation video, and you're going to get massive results. But it's strictly for those people who have that audience already, or that audience more, and just need to top up their watch hour or top up their subscriber count in order for you to start earning money here on YouTube. So guys, all these points that I just listed, they're going to really help you out. They're going to really help you out in getting that subscriber count on your channel. And if you can only do it strictly the right way, you're going to get a lot of results.